Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are unboxing the Bluarmor C30 intercom system. Now this intercom system is made in India, so it's a good go-to option if you don't want to buy other big brands like CARDO or SENA. So here we have the Bluarmor C30. It's not a Bluetooth, it's mesh. It has a mesh intercom known as RIDEGRID. It can connect up to 20 riders, and it offers around 1 kilometer of range. Along with the Bluarmor, we get a warranty card, which is actually a pretty good card. Okay, so over here we have the intercom device, which is kept on the helmet. We have the volume buttons, channel buttons. This is where the wire is connected. This is for charging. This is where you can install it onto your helmet. We have a microphone that will be inserted inside of the helmet, so you can speak to whoever is riding with you. Sticker, so you can stick it onto the helmet. These are the speakers. Here we have the instructions, which we will, if you want you can see it. We have a screw clamp for the helmet, so if you don't want to use a sticker, you can screw it to the side of your helmet. Very stable. For those helmets that don't support screw, you can have a sticker. Using an adhesive, it won't fall off. We have an Allen key, some cables. This is the Velcro for the speakers. And yeah, that's about it. Now as for the device itself, as you can see, we have to long press the on button, and once it's connected onto your helmet, connected to the unit, there will be a Bluetooth. So on your phone, I can't access my phone right now because it's here, but on the phone, just go to Bluetooth, turn on your Bluetooth, click this again, long press, and yeah, you'll be able to connect to Bluetooth to your device. So yes, that's the unboxing of the Bluarmor C30. Thank you for watching the video.